Hello guys, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to install ZebChat plugin on your WordPress blog. Open the WordPress and then you can go to add a new plugin. There you need to search for a plugin ZebChat. Okay, now you can see the plugin. Just open it. If you want to go through the details, you can go through it, or else you can directly proceed for the installation. Once installed, you will need to activate it. Activate the plugin. Okay, now the plugin has been activated, and then we can go for the configuration. Settings, ZebChat. Here you go. If you already have an account with us, you can just enter the widget ID, or else you can register here. You can find the widget ID in the ZebChat panel. Go to ZebChat panel and open chat widget. In the chat widget, you can find the widget ID over here. Copy this number and enter it over here. Save it. Now let us try. Just refresh the page and see if the ZebChat plugin appears on the blog. I guess we forgot to whitelist the URL. Go back to the ZebChat panel, the main panel, and then in the chat widget you will need to enter the URL where you want the widget to be displayed. Enter it in the URL format and then you can save it. And let us try again. Refresh. There you go. Now the widget has been installed on your WordPress. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.